Hi boys and girls. This goes with lesson 13, subtract to compare. Our objective is to match objects in sets to compare quantities. Quantities means amounts. Before I begin, I want to remind you that the word more means greater than or bigger. Fewer means less than or smaller. If you look here, I have a group of circles and a group of squares. And you can see, if you look at it, that I have more squares. You can see that because it is longer. Or if you count, you can see that I have 4 circles and 6 squares, and 6 is more than 6 is more than 4. We can compare numbers to find out which has more, and we can also use it to help us subtract. So when we compare, we're going to draw lines from one object to the next. And then I'm going to circle the group with more. And I'm going to look at how many do not have matches. 2 do not have matches. So I have 2 more squares than circles. Another way to think of that is I have 6 squares, right, 6 here, and 4 circles. 6 minus 4 is 2. I'm going to go on to my next one. In my next picture, I have stars and moons. And I can tell just by looking that I have more stars than moons, but I might not be sure how many. So I'm going to draw my lines to match. I'm going to circle the group that has more, and I'm going to count how many do not have matches. 1, 2, 3. I have 3 more stars than moons. And again, I have 5 stars minus 2 moons. 5 minus 2 is 3. I'm going to come down here. This time we're trying to figure out which group has fewer. So I draw my lines to match. The group that has less has fewer, which is my balloons. I'm going to circle it. And there's 1 heart that doesn't have a match, so I have 1 fewer balloons. Or 4 minus 3 is 1. I'm going to come down here. I'm going to match my fish to their bowls. I have fewer bowls. And I can count and see that I have 2 fewer bowls. I would need to draw 2 more bowls to have the same amount of bowls as fish. So that's how we're going to compare quantities. If you have any questions, please let me know. And again, this is pages 27 and 28. Thank you.